Alright, so good afternoon guys. It's around 5 p.m. in the afternoon. We're here at Baganga. I don't know if you saw my previous vlog, yung driving vlog ko. Yun yung first ko na driving vlog. Pauwi actually ako noon ng Davao from Baganga. So, fun fact, this is the hometown of my father. So, madalas kami dito. This is a coastal town, a coastal municipality here in Davao. I mean here in Mindanao rather. So yeah, there are a lot of really nice beaches here, white sand beaches. Actually, a lot of tourists come here, especially surfers, madami masyado. Alright, so kasama natin today is si... kasi tumawag sa video. Go ahead. Tuyok lang ko. Anyways guys, so kasama natin ulit. Wait, ang ingay na. Bro. So sorry guys, my brothers are yapping. So actually, ang kasama natin today is still sila Kuya Mac Vlogs and si Mr. Motoholic. Grabe ang ingay. So we're debating guys kung meron bang laman yung shelves ng 7-Eleven. Guys, andito tayo sa 7-Eleven. Bumalik muna si Utol, si Mr. Motoholic kasi naiwan daw niya yung phone niya. So, buti na lang na may stocks ng 7-Eleven. Guys, so kasama natin si Von. Wala si Bonso guys. So, the chat. So wala si Bonso guys dahil study first. Study first. Wow, thanks. Literally just fell. Sige. Guys, hindi ko yung kasalanan guys. Ayan guys, so lechon paksiw and grilled lempo. Grilled lempo is best guys. So naka-lock in na tayo sa ating food. Lechon paksiw and grilled lempo. Grilled lempo is best guys sa 7-Eleven. Yung mga nagabili ng baked chicken guys. So lagay nyo sa comment guys, are you a Giniling fan, Bobby's fan, or CC 7-Eleven? Got our care package, Mountain Dew, and yung grilled lempo at ano ba yan? Doc, help Doc. Bruh, Lempo Master Race. Yeah. Alright guys, so ilagay muna natin yung okay. Alright guys, so ilagay natin yung ating Mountain Dew sa ref ni Utol kasi hindi ko dala yung akin. Ayan guys, Alpicol din yung ref niya. XD30. Ay, XD35 pala. I'll put the link in the description kung gusto nyo malaman. Ito. Oh! So, C2. Ipatindog. Oh, diba guys? So, that's 35 liters. Okay na masyado. Ay, may isa pa pala siya guys. Another compartment. So, yeah.
So, ayun guys, we are currently parking the cars. Sige lang.
Unsa mo saka gyud ko dito sa semento ya. Baba to. Kita mo siya.
Ipalo mo ito.
Kayo mag-drone pa ko.
Yan.
Ulan. Alas to. Alis to. Alright guys, so we're now at Banao Seawall. Medyo na late lang kami kaunti kasi medyo malayo pa yung itong Banao Seawall, malayo pa siya from poblasyon. So actually pagdating namin ang ganda ng sunset, so hindi na ako nakapag-update kasi I took drone shots. Even though if medyo madilim na, pero still maganda yung mga shots. So ayan, diba? Ayan. So this is Banao Seawall. So as you can see doon sa unahan guys, may mga nagtitinda doon. Actually parang isa lang ata yung nagtitinda ngayon, but when it's the weekends, madami yan, mas madami kapag weekends kasi weekdays ngayon. Ayan. Right? So makulimlim pa, so set up muna natin yung mga ilaw. Uy, doy! Guys, so malapit natin na right, so bro, kapuya tong edit out oy. Isarado na kong door, igawas na po na ko balik. Guys, sobrang basa natin guys.
Very...
Basa kay espalto, oy, basa ko kayo ko, mas basa pa ko sa espalto. Sobrang ulan, biglang bumuhos yung ulan. That's the problem talaga kapag andito sa ano tawag nito. Kapag andito sa coastal area. Especially kanina kasi nasa seawall kami. So seawall yun kanina. So ang nangyari, kasi hindi naman din tayo nag-set up fully, so we really had to pack up the awning and go home kasi hindi tayo naka-full setup. Kung naka-full setup lang naman, no problem. Yun lang yung problem is wala yung mga guidelines. So if in case lalakas pa talaga yung hangin, baka malipad yung ating awning.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars.
Or hindi naman malipad pero may potential na masira kasi malakas yung hangin. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed that video and abangan yung mga next vlogs natin. Also abangan yung part 2 nung Buddha vlog. Malalaman nyo kung naluto ba talaga namin yung lechon belly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you don't miss an upload. Your support goes a long way in helping me make more videos like this, so thank you.